Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to do a very cool stuff that is from cryptography. Okay, so we are going to dive into the cryptography section and we are going to do a challenge which was taken out from the DEFCON Delhi CTF. So there was a CTF organized by this DEFCON group based in Delhi, and that CTF actually ended, but it had very cool problems, and they were of many types, from being beginner to intermediate to very hard challenges also. So we are going to talk about this challenge that is named as the unofficial elders. Okay, so this challenge was there in the CTF, and there were few people who did this challenge. And the thing is that I just want to show you all that how you should approach a certain problem in a CTF, or even in a problem where you are solving a try-hack me room. Okay, so these are the things, or these approaches you need to apply. Okay, so these are the things. So let's move on to the challenge. As you can see, there is the author name. I haven't blurred the author name because credit should be given to him and whosoever it was. So hey, if you are watching this and you just want to try this question, take a screenshot, go ahead, try it, and take a screenshot of this also, and do your reverse image search by your own self, and maybe even try a new method. Maybe you could find a new methodology where you can do the or solve the problem. Okay, so go ahead and try it, and the answer is in the end of the video. The challenge is named as the unofficial elders. The description or the context is here. We are the people of deep, also known as deep delving. Will pin you till your interest that we are not small. So the context is here, and it is saying that someone is saying to us that they are the people of the deep, and they are also known as deep delving, and they will pin us till our interest, and they seem to be not small. Okay, and if you run into CTFs or play CTFs, then you know that there is a certain flag format which you should apply on every flag. So as you can see, the flag format is DC 9111, and there are two curly brackets, and the main part is here. The main part is this file. As you can see, this is a file that actually has some cryptography inserted in it, or has some mysterious kind of script in it, and we cannot understand it. At first sight we cannot know that what it is written, but the first thing that you need to know about this is that when you go over a certain problem in cryptography where you are given a certain kind of file, then you either go for reverse image search so as to find out that where this type of script is used. Okay, so where this kind of script is used, or either you search out for the description or for the challenge name. So three things you need to know, or three things you need to consider when you are taking out a challenge. So the first thing is the challenge name. The challenge name is very important. The challenge name is important because it can give you a certain hint. It can help you in your research. It can help you in any way you can think about it. The next thing is the category. You should know that what category are you trying to do. Okay, so this is a cryptography category. And the next is the description. Description tells a lot about it. Even the description itself is an answer to our question. Okay, sometimes there are, so we will see about that later in more of my videos, but for now let's focus on this. If I have this file, I just go over screenshot, and I just take a certain screenshot of this file so as to make a reverse image search. I will save it as what is this. Okay, so I have already saved that, and you can see I have written some things here, and I will just so what I want you to understand is that there is a certain kind of script given to us. If you see, were certain symbols like this, or any other symbol. Okay, so we need to match. We need to match over the English alphabetical symbols or the letters so that we can get the flag like S, T, U, V, A, B, C, D, all those letters. You can count till Z, and we need to match all these. So how we need to do this? We do a reverse image search. Let's see how we can do a reverse image search. Let's search about reverse image search, and here we are. There are certain websites. I prefer you to use Google. Let me upload that image or the screenshot that I have taken. What is this .png? It's being uploaded, and there were no results. Okay, so there were no results, but there were certain images related to it. Okay, so let's see about those images, and if there are certain ones. Okay, so we have lost it, and visually similar images. So there are certain images given to us, but as you can notice that none of them tells about is there any script there or anything else. So I think we have failed in this thing, but let me change it. Let me just use again the image. Maybe it was an error from Google's side. So Google didn't find this. Google couldn't find any results according to this. So let's try to see the question again. Let's try to see this. So the description or the context which was given to us was that we are the people of the deep. So we are the people of the deep, also known as deep delving. So maybe this question is trying to tell us that there were certain people or there was a civilization. Those the people of those civilizations were using certain script, and that script were having these kind of letters as you can see in the file. Okay, so we need to find about those people so that we can find about that script. Okay, so let me search about these people or the people of the deep, also known as deep delving. Let me search about it. Google.com, and the people of the deep. Let us have something in our mind. So there were certain results. Let us see all we can gather from here. We are the people of the deep, also known as deep delving. Let me introduce also known as deep delving. Let's see about the search results. So there are certain search results which are matching things. Okay, so which are matching things, but I cannot find any satisfactory results. So am I failed? It doesn't mean like that. I am not failed, but the thing is, or the thing I want to bring to your notice is that there will be times that in a CTF you are doing, or you are just participating, then you will have certain moments where you will feel like you have failed, or you couldn't find the flag, or you are just disguised somewhere. So don't feel like that. Keep your patience, keep your calmness, and try to go ahead and ahead and ahead. Okay, so that's my tip for you. And I'm trying to go over all these search results. There are certain search results, and this is a malware something thing, and this is about football, and it is about ecology. uh, okay, and it is a blog from somewhere. This one is also not important, and this is a neural network. Okay, delving deep into human mind. Not, this is not, this is not. How to have deep conversations. No, this is not the results that we wanted, and this is not also the result. Let's move on to the next result. So here it is, also known as deep. So here I see, what I see is that there is certain website. It is telling us about the Elder Scrolls. It is named as Elder Scrolls dot fandom. Uh, it is a fandom website. It is created by somebody, is some fans, or some followers. Okay, so what I can match from here is that the challenge is named as the unofficial elders. Okay, so the challenge gives us a hint that the people or the thing is, we need to find, is the unofficial elders. The unofficial elders, and I see here Bremer Elder Scrolls, and it is a fandom. Let's see what the website has for us. So the Dwemer, also referred as the dwarves, deep elves, deep folk, deep ones, people of the deep. So we have matched the thing. We have matched the criteria of being people of the deep. So I think that the Dwemers are the people who use these type of scripts. But let us verify it. Let us verify it. And may use the term Dwemer, roughly translated as people of the deep. If you cannot see it, I will just zoom it out for you. May use the term Dwemer, roughly translated as people of the deep. So we have found out that the question, the thing given to us, the context given to us was satisfied. That means we need to find about the Dwemers. We need to find that what the Dwemers used as the script. So now I search about the Dwemer script, language script. So as I can see, Dwemeris was the main language and the writing system for Dwemers. Let's see about the images. Maybe we could find something. So here you can see that. So there are certain alphabets which are assigned to it, but it is not so clear with it. But this you can see, this is a clear thing. I will open it in the new tab. Maybe we could find it. So here it is, and you can see, you can easily recognize that there are certain symbols used here, or there are certain letters which are matching to this script, which are matching to this dictionary. We can call it as dictionary. So we can translate this. So I leave this on you, that you search for it, and I will give you the flag in the comments. If you have done it, then congratulations. You have successfully completed a CTF challenge, which was a easy one, but not so easy to search, because there were some search results which were trying to distract us. Okay, so that means that you have done a very good job. So you can find the flag in the comment section. I will pin it, and that's the end. If you have done it, thank you for this, and thank you for being in this journey with me. And I already done the challenge, but I wanted to give you a real life experience. Okay, so a real life experience is very necessary for you, and that's the thing. So goodbye.